This guy, I remember this guy.
I get Troy over here with his car.
Oh, right.
This car.
Yeah, yeah. That's cool. Did we see this one already or no? This is different
today?
No, like just in general.
I think so. I know
I'm thinking it's like a 69.
There's a green one with a swap, though, isn't there?
Is there? Oh, right. Those 392 swaps, right?
392 swaps.
That's cool. Nice paint. Is that it?
And that's on Short Lake?
Wonder what year this thing is. Pretty cool. Not bad, not bad. Nice. What year is this baby?
Say anything. Let's go.
Oh, it's got some kind of chiller there. That's cool. That's really cool.
So I walked right over to you guys when I see you coming in. I never see a nice body chrysler. Yeah.
That's cool. Where'd you get this baby? That's.
That was a special buy off Amazon.
Oh yeah.
I ended up insulating it.
Oh okay.
Like
Yeah.
the sticker off it, put it on the insulation.
That works. I've never seen
Yeah,
that.
it actually does.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
He does Alibaba.
Yeah, I do all No, it's better than it's cheap as shit on Amazon. But it's like you Google it on it and they say they don't have it, they'll actually look for it for you and then they found it for this.
Oh, he's got like all sorts, eh? All kinds.
For when you're in the trunk.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's got the whole thing. Cool. See the engine?
They scam you. Google scam you. They get in your car. I spent half of my things.
Hands out of your mouth. Come on, Alex. This is not bad. That's pretty cool, man. It sounds pretty greasy. Let's take a look. Oh, it's got brakey, boys.
You want to walk around and see the car? You can park your bicycle up here and we'll take care
First, I
of
want to get a picture of
it.
this
We always charge
guy.
you 50 cents to get
Let's see this. Let's do a little. Oh yeah, there's something going on in here, right? Frankie boys?
I believe we're up to 300 to the winner. We're also selling tickets on a chainsaw carving.
Do you want me to move?
$5
Oh, no.
tickets.
It's all good, yeah. Thank you.
10. Yeah, that's it. Hurry them up here, guys. They're up here.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Thank you.
Yeah, is there a NASCAR engine in it? What, is
Yes,
it?
there is. Yeah.
Oh, really?
That's good. You can park them there.
Oh.
Everywhere. Oh, don't hit your buddy. Yeah, back them up there. That's it. That's it. Now you got it. By golly, there's a Chrysler. All right. We gave that. Don't forget, you get a chance, go down and see Napoleon down there. They're one of our main sponsors.
Where are you? I'll tell them to come and see you. Oh, are you?
I think they got a showroom stop down there too, so they might give you a discount.
Okay.
Keep them busy. They've also
I'll find you when he comes back.
That's awesome.
I'm gonna go over some cars, so he's working on cars, so I'll probably be back. Yeah. Because he's younger. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Can I be one of them?
Oh. Oh, the list.
Can I be
What do we got? 6-speed? No, 6-cylinder?
Yeah, but
600, 3-speed on the tree. Okay. Nat 2003 Hooter Pro Cup. Nice. Cool. Oh. Nice. This yours?
Yep.
What year is it?
64.
64?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep.
Where'd you get the motor?
Out of the corner of somebody's garage.
Oh, okay, really?
Yep.
How much horsepower are you pumping out of that thing?
On the street, about 5.5.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. This is quite the build, man. This is awesome.
It's all Hotchkiss suspension
Yeah.
and 4-wheel disc.
Taking it to the track, I'm assuming?
I have.
You have? Yeah?
Once, yeah.
That's awesome.
Yep.
What's
It's
the-
pretty good. It's fun.
What's the exhaust on it?
3-inch.
3-inch? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
64 Savoy wagon.
200 RPM probably sounds pretty nice.
9,200 RPM, eh? That's crazy.
Came on the Mopar.
why not? I mean, it's like a wire.
Is that good? Yeah. Hotchkiss suspension, owner builder, muscle cars again restoration. Wow. Yeah. Thank you. Alright, so this is a Rowdy 1964 Plymouth Savoy wagon. History, U.S. forestry vehicle from Colorado. Originally a 6-cylinder 3-speed on the tree. Now built as a Patina Pro touring street machine. All original panels, 100% original paint on what's left. Alright, drivetrain, 2003 NASCAR Hooter Pro Cup Dodge R3 W2 358 CID motor, 625 horsepower at 9,200 RPM. Tremec TKO, 6,000 5-speed transmission. Original Chrysler 8 3/4, 391 sure grip. That's crazy.